Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a machine. This is actually a used machine, and we also sell this company brand new. It's a great company. The company's named SuperTec. They're out here in California. This particular machine, I'm sure as everybody's been looking for grinding machines, they could see how filthy they get. Come take a look at this. This is about as clean as they get. This is all original paint. You can see just a few scuffs on the paint. There's not much been gone on this machine. The ways everything looks really nice and clean here. Everything's really clean on this machine. You can take a look at the pictures. You'll see it's almost like new. It's got the dresser on here. Here's your sliding part of your head. We'll go ahead and turn it on, let you hear it running. Again, really, really quiet. We've got our motorized work head here. Turn that on. And we have our feeds. We have a left and right. You've got your stops here. Limit switches, as soon as it hits the limit switch, goes back to the other way. Now, I'll shut this off. You can see, just take a walk around here, how clean. I just want to show you how clean this came out of a very nice aerospace facility, barely used. There's actually the coolant tank on it. Super, super clean stuff. You can take a look inside there just to show you. Not a lot of stuff has been run through this machine. Here's our rear side, our electrical cabinet. We'll turn everything off here. See if we get this guy open. Big cabinet, not too much going on in there, but very, very clean. Looks like it comes with our operator's manual as well. Now, if this is the type of machine you're looking for, give us a call. Let us know if you have something for sale like this. If you're getting bigger or smaller, we'd love to help you in any way we can. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.